very happy to get our Upazila Primary Education Officer, sir. It is a very delight for us. It is a very happiness period for us. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to you all. It is indeed a great honor and a real privilege for us to be present here this afternoon. So everyone, now we are discussing about the English period of our subcluster training. At first, we will discuss about the classroom language of some specific areas. Greetings. At first, the teacher should to say every student good morning student or good afternoon student. How are you? Are you all right? Sit down please. It is the first structure of greetings. And then we have to start greeting attention. Listen to me, look at me, attention please. Listen carefully. Is the greeting attention. Starting the lesson. During the time of starting our English lesson, we have to say all of the students open at page number 22 or page number 1, page number 3. This is the time of the first month of the year January. So now we are teaching the student about page 1 to page 10. So we may teach them that open at page number 5. Turn to the page number 6.
Slowly.
In this way, we will start our session and we will start the activities. And say that we are going to listen carefully. In this way, we can start our lesson, start our activity. Blackboard use. We can use Blackboard both student and teacher. Sometimes only teacher use the Blackboard. It is not a good sign for a good school, for a good Upazila, for a good country like Bangladesh. English is an international language. Every student of the country has a great fear on English, but we have to eradicate this fear. We have to eradicate this fear of English. As a result, our authority has given most importance to our English language. As a result, we are also discussing about English language in the second phase of our subcluster training. Now, during the time of Blackboard use, every student have to call that please come to the Blackboard and take the pen, take the pencil and write this sentence, write this word. In this way, we can use Blackboard both student and teacher. Showing the teaching aid. During the time of our teaching, we can say the student that look at the picture. Look at the picture on the page of 12. Look at the picture below the blackboard. Look at the picture on whiteboard. In this way, we can show looking at to our students. Ending the lesson. During the time of ending the lesson, we can go. Do it at home. Practice makes a man perfect. In this way, the student will be highly teased with English. How can we teach vocabulary? We know that English vocabulary is very important for any country, especially on Bangladesh, especially of the teacher or of the student or place like us, Rampal Upazila. There are many chor area of Rampal like Mujibnagar and many other chor. Whereas the students are deprived of education, deprived of the light of education, especially English. In this way, they don't get any direction how to learn vocabulary. In this way, we have to teach the student showing a real object. On the way of presenting new word, we have to show this is the book, this is the fan, this is the pencil, and this is the fan. In this way, we can teach them the vocabulary, showing real object, showing picture or method. We can see them. We can see them the picture or method or drawing picture, mime, action, and gesture. Mime is an action. Mime is an action when doing action without talking. It is very important during the time of teaching learning in the field of English. So, mime, action, and gesture is very important during the time of teaching So it's very, it should be followed attentively. Possible classroom language. When the teacher go to the classroom in the class of 1 and 2, he has to maintain, he will have to plan how class will be more attentive. This way, the teacher can say, everybody listen to me. Take your English book and first sentence I repeat. Everybody listen to me. Take your English book, listen and say after me. Take your book, read after me, write in your exercise book, present your work to the whole class. In this way, we can instruct the student. This is called instructional language. Instructional language for group work. We can say, is make a group, is bench make a group. All of the students are requested to make a group in your bench. Is two benches sit face to face. We always try to make this process in our classroom. It is the very best way for teaching and learning process in the field of learning English. Discuss in group. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All sit together and make a group, and this way we can learn them attentively. You join with group C, you 4 and 5 make a group, discuss among yourself. Students of every bench make a group. In this way we can give an instruction to them. Monitoring language. During the time of monitoring is very much important in our classroom. We can say our student carry on. We can say our student try, write, say it again, say, read loudly, please, read loudly. Do it now, keep doing, participate actively, share ideas with peers, help each other. We know that many students are very weak in English, but the seat such a student, besides such a student who is very much strong, then we can say that help the less weak student. In this way, they can help each other. Any problem, student can face any problem. So we can teach them, but we can tell them any problem. In this way, they can share their problem to us. Avoid overwriting. Overwriting tendency is very much short in our student, because in the field of English, because we are very weak in English and we are so much weak in English, especially in village area. And our Bagarhat district is a disaster-prone area. We have to face cyclone Cedar, we have to face cyclone Remal. As a result, the students have to outside of school, and in this way they have to decide English. So we can during the time of their writing they have to face overwriting tendency. So we can say that please avoid overwriting, rearrange it, make it clear, be aware of punctuation, be nice to each other, respect others' opinion. In this way, we can monitor our classroom. This is called monitoring language. Controlling language.
Look at me.
Controlling language. So, make a noise. We know that controlling of a classroom is a very good task for a teacher. The teacher can control the classroom easily where there is only 10 students. But it is very tough to control the student like as Gamburi High School, whereas there are about 73 students. There are about 73 students in class 2. And in our in some district, in some area, some school, the total student is about 63, whereas Only class 2, there are about 73 students in class 2 in Dabuni school. So it is it is very impossible. Sorry, it is shown that the students are quarreling, the students are gathering, the students are making noise. So we can say that don't make a noise, avoid side talk. Side talk tendency is a common tendency of student. Be attentive. Attention is more seriousness thing in our class, because if the students are not attentive, we cannot teach anything. If a good teacher uh, during the time of our classroom, we should say, student, please attentive, be quiet, keep silent, don't take but don't disturb, listen to him, respect others' opinion, don't shout. Attention please, be nice to each other. Language